Hello G, how are you? I hope you are doing great and I am doing great too. Today I'll be telling you about a mind-blowing course known as CPA, Certified Public Accountants. So today through this video we'll learn the following things. First, what exactly is CPA? Second, is it the best career option right now? Third, who exactly can do CPA? And fourth, syllabus and exam pattern of CPA. These four things we'll be covering in this video. So let's first understand what exactly do we mean by CPA. Let's take layman terms, okay? Now, you people were in school a couple of years back, right? So, in the school, the principal is the person who formulates rules, regulations, and ensures that you people follow it for your betterment, for your bright future, right? Now, tell me, is it practically possible that one principal can look after thousands of students? Obviously, no. So, whom do they rely on? They rely on the teachers. So teachers are the watchdog of the principals that ensure that students are following all the rules and regulations properly and to ensure that the students have a very bright future. Now, in that context, let's take the citizens of our country. Okay, so we have the students, actually we can tell them as citizens also. Then the principal can be called as the government also. And government also formulates a lot of financial policies. Okay, they formulate a lot of financial policies to help us grow. Now, how will the government ensure that all the citizens, all the public is following those policies? They will ensure that these are being followed by CPAs, Certified Public Accountants. They are the watchdog of the government to ensure that everyone is adhering to this rule. So therefore, CPA, everyone fears, from the biggest of the companies to the smallest of the individuals. They are scared of CPAs because once a CPA tells that, you know what, I don't think something is right with this particular company, that company can shut down. So that is the power and that is the duty of CPA. Next, what is CPA? Let's get into the technical terms. CPA, as we already discussed, means Certified Public Accountants. Second, it is conducted by AICPA, that is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. It is a globally recognized body. That means all over the world they recognize this body. And CPA is also known as an American Chartered Accountant. So in India, you will be relevant with a term known as Chartered Accountants. So if you do CPA, you will be known as an American Chartered Accountant. Now, next, is it the best career option? I can give you 10,000 reasons, but for now I'll restrict it to 5. First, the prestige and respect that you get once you do CPA. Like I already told, people are scared of CPA. Even Alphabet, the parent company of Google, will be scared of CPA because once CPA tells that, you know what, I don't think things are fine now, the company can shut down. Even Alphabet can shut down. So with great power comes great responsibility. So there's huge amounts of pride and there's huge amounts of respect that you will get once you become CPA. Next, career development. Once you become CPA, your career will develop 2x, 3x, 4x, 10x, just like that. Okay, it will be a very, very easy task for you to reach heights. Sky is the limit once you become CPA. Sky is the limit for grabbing the opportunities. Okay, next, career security. Now, post-COVID, that is a really major reason that people, are scared of going into jobs. They think that they will be fired because, there's no job security in a lot of fields. But as far as CPA is concerned, there is huge job security. There is immense job security. You need not worry only. People might get fired, but no one will come and dare touch you. Even during COVID, a lot of CPAs were hired because CPA deals with money, and money is something which will be in existence forever. So a CPA will always have job security. Next, job satisfaction. See, there are n number of jobs out there. There are n number of ways to make money. But tell me, more than making money, job satisfaction is required for you to make more and more money. Yes. Now, CPA being such a prestigious course will motivate you to make money. You will be more than happy. You will think, okay, you know what? I'm getting so much respect, so I will work, and the more you work, the more job satisfaction also you will have, and the more money also you will make. So there's huge job, there's immense job satisfaction as far as CPA career is concerned. Next, not the least, see, we are all here working for money, right? So an average package that a CPA can get in India is from 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs, okay? So as a fresher, I'm telling, once you clear CPA as a fresher, you can easily make 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs. So that is the kind of demand CPA is seeing. Next, where can I get a job? See, there are n number of places where you can get a job, okay? N number of places where you can get a job. Some of the companies I have listed here, but you know, like I told, the sky is the limit. And see, now CPAs are gaining popularity in India, okay? World is a global village. Now is the time to cash in this opportunity. Hit when the iron is hot, okay? You have heard this, quote, hit when the iron is hot. So hit on it when the iron is hot and you become a hit. So now is the time where a lot of CPAs are in demand. It's growing, the popularity of CPAs is growing in India. If you encash on it now, you will have a very, 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 very bright future. Okay. So next, let's try to understand who can do CPA. Now for CPA, you have two sets of eligibility. First, for writing exams. To write exams, you need 120 credits. Next, for obtaining the license of a CPA, you need 150 credits plus 1 year work experience. Okay. So, sir, how can I get credits? Should I pay money? See, the AICPA is not asking for your money. All they are asking for is time. Okay. So, let's understand how you can get the credits. So this is exactly the chart of how you can get the credits. So let's say you are a BCom student. So when you do first year of BCom, you get 30 credits. Second year of BCom, you get 30 credits. And third of your year of BCom, you get 30 credits. So with that, you will have 90 credits. After that, you might ask, sir, then what should I do to get the remaining credits, right? So you can do MCom or MBA. So now you'll be like, sir, if I have to do MCom or MBA, where should I do? Don't worry, we are here for that. We have some agreements signed with universities whereby, in partnership with us, they will also provide you MCom and MBA degrees. Okay. Next, if you are doing some professional courses, let's say CA Inter, CS Inter, CMA Inter, or CA Final, CS Final, CMA Final. So in these professional courses, for each professional course that you are doing, you get 30 credits. So this way, you can get your 150 credits required. Now you must be thinking, sir, if I am, a BCom student, only then can I do CPA? Well, that is not the case. If you are any commerce graduate, okay, any commerce graduate where in your graduation it included at least one accounting subject, then you can do CPA, okay? So even a BBA student will be eligible to do CPA, or any other degree student where at least any other commerce graduate where at least one accounting subject was there can do CPA. Okay. Next, what is the CPA core structure? Let's understand that, one by one. First, it's MCQ based and simulation. MCQ we all know, and simulation is something which will be based on real life scenarios. More about simulation you'll see in the next video. Okay. Next, there is no negative marking. A beautiful gesture. In a lot of competitive examination, there is negative marking. Whenever you give a wrong answer, they will reduce your marks. But in CPA, there's no such thing. Okay. Next, it is very simple and logical. So CPAs are required to be very logical. Okay. So therefore, the course is designed in such a way that more than mugging up something, you should apply your logic. Okay. Next, you can write exam paper wise. So this is also a very beautiful thing that AICPA has come up with. You need not, there won't be any consecutive days exam or alternate days exam and all. Nothing like that. Okay. You can write your exam paper wise. You are ready at that point of time. You write. You take one paper, you study that, you give the exams, then you complete the exams, you pass it, then you can study for another paper. Next, there's no need to pass all the 4 papers to get a job. You pass 1 or 2 papers, easily you can get a job. Okay. And exams are held in India. Now, this is one of the reasons why CPA is gaining a lot of popularity. Before and all, it was held in Dubai. Now, CPA exams are held in India only. So, anyone who wishes to do CPA need not go to Dubai and write exams and all. They can write in India only. Okay. Next, exams are held throughout the year. That is also beautiful thing. Throughout the year you can write. Whenever you feel like giving an exam, you give. Okay, you study properly, you know, get accustomed to the concepts, you practice all you need, and then whenever you feel like, okay, you know what, today I'm ready to give exams, you can give your exams. Next, there's 4 hours examination. And the last thing is the pass percentage is 40. Now you might be thinking, sir, you know, you were telling that CPA is such an easy course and whatnot, and now you're coming and telling that the pass percentage is only 40. How you know, it is not, you know, correlating. Well, the thing is that in CPA, like I told, it's simple and logical, but a lot of professionals and all might come and do the course. Okay, so professionals need motivation to do it, and without the right guidance and motivation, they are not able to, you know, study properly and go and give the exams. So that problem also we are solving here. Chalo. Next, what is the CPA syllabus? See, paper 1 is FAR, that is financial accounting and reporting. Paper 2 is auditing and attestation, that is AUD. Paper 3 is regulation, that is REG. And paper 4 is business environment and concepts, that is BEC. Okay, so these are the 4 papers. Only 4 papers you have to do. Only 4 papers you have to do to become an American chartered accountant. Now, isn't it beautiful? Now, let's understand the syllabus structure. Okay, so FAR, you have financial accounting and reporting. It will deal with US GAAP. It will be a 4-hour examination, 50% multiple choice questions and 50% will be simulation. Similarly, for auditing and attestation also, you will be learning about auditing standards and procedures. Again, 50% MCQ, 50% simulation. Then REG, you will be learning about the US federal taxation and business laws, 50% MCQ and 50% simulation. And then there is business environment and concepts, which will be dealing with business transactions. This is 50% MCQ, 35% simulation and 15% written exam. But all these papers have one thing in common: they are 4-hour examination. Okay, now where should I do CPA? So you have told us so many things about CPA. Now I'm very excited, pumped to do CPA. But where can I do CPA? Well, why fear when Target is here? So here you can do CPA, whereby we provide comprehensive coaching for this particular course. Now you will be thinking, sir, you are telling Target, you can do CPA, but why should we join Target? Well, we have reasons for that also. We have reasons and answers for everything. So the feature of Targets are as follows. Okay, so we have a comprehensive learning plan. First is the physical, online and recorded classes. So let's say you're a person who can go to the class and watch the lecture. You're most welcome. Please attend our live offline lectures. Let's say second, you cannot travel that much, but you want live classes. Well, there is also online live classes available. Third, you are a very busy professional. You can see only in the night and all, or very early in the morning, let's say 4 o'clock and all. For that also we have a solution whereby we provide you recorded classes. Okay. Second, what kind of material will you be giving us? Okay, so we will be giving you 3 colored comprehensive material. Okay, so materials are available. A lot of materials are available. Let's be honest here. When we were kids, when we used to study with colors in the books, we used to grasp it more. Okay, even that we remember it till now. But after that, as the life turned black and white, the books also turned black and white. So let's not do that. We thought that we should make our books colorful so that you are attracted to reading it and you grasp the concepts immediately. You are able to recollect it whenever required. Next, there is multiple revision exams. See, one way of clearing the exams, one amazing way of clearing the exam is to give more and more exams. Okay, but rather than going and giving an attempt, we ensure we conduct a lot of revision exams for you so that you are able to practice, and when you go for giving the main exams, it feels like a cakewalk for you. Next, we have an MOU with the approved partner whereby you get all the latest questions and it will be updated whenever you log in. It will be updated. Okay. Next, doubt clearing sessions. See, studying is not important. Studying is important. Revision is important, and more than that, doubt clearing is important, right? If your doubts are not cleared, the classes will not help you. Neither will the revision exams. You will feel motivated to go. So we ensure that the doubts are cleared, and then your doubts are cleared and you are very clear with the concept, so that you can face the exams in a very bold and a brave manner. Okay, next, mentor support. Like I already mentioned, the main cause why CPAs, people, there's only 40% pass percentage in CPA is because of no lack of motivation. Okay, a lot of professionals again come, they are not able to do the CPA course with the spare time, so they need motivation. So we have that covered. Okay, like parents, you have your mentors, they will support you emotionally. You are feeling demotivated, we are here for you. They will support you in subject by subject matter also. You have any doubts or any concerns, you can talk to our mentor. So they are like a second parents. Okay, parents take care of you personally and a little professionally, we take care of you professionally. Okay, next, MCQ explanation. See, right answer everyone can give, but why is that answer right? And above that, why are the other answers wrong? That a lot many people might not be in a position to give, but we are ensuring that we give you that as well. Okay, more than knowing the reason why a particular answer is right, if you know the reason why other answers are wrong, that will give you more clarity and will strengthen your concepts. Okay, next, software based on main exam model. So on the software on which you'll be practicing all this, it will be based on the main exam model. So when you go to give an examination, there will be no surprise left for you. You'll be clear with the concepts, you'll be clear with the questions, you'll be clear with the software also. There's no surprise only whatsoever. Okay, so now when are you starting the batch, sir? That is the next question. We are excited to join. Now we want to join TATRGET. When are you starting the batch? Well, the batch is starting on 4th November, and these are the 2 contact numbers you can get in touch with and you can get yourself enrolled. So join target, because your target is our target. Okay, so therefore join target, and I'll see you in the batch. Bye bye.